Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to earn money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? But passive income isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a realistic goal for everyday people like you and me. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 proven passive income ideas that are working right now and will likely work even better in the future. These are real strategies, not crypto hype or get-rich-quick schemes. Most people rely entirely on active income. You work, you get paid. But once you stop working, guess what? The money stops too. Passive income flips that script. It allows you to build income streams that keep flowing even when you are not actively working. And thanks to tech, automation, and online platforms, starting a passive income stream in 2025 is easier than ever. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research or consult a certified advisor before making any financial decisions. With that said, let's jump in. Let's start with the classic. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, you're buying a slice of a company that shares its profits with you regularly. Platforms like eToro or Trade Republic make it easy to start even with as little as €50. And we're not talking about 0.5% return. Some ETFs pay 3 to 7% per year just for holding them. The best part, you can automate reinvestment and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. No inventory, no shipping, no headaches. You create a design once, a catchy quote, a cool graphic, and platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring take care of the rest. They print your design on mugs, t-shirts, posters, you name it, and ship it for you. Your job, just collect the royalties, use free tools like Canva, or even AI tools like Midjourney to create the artwork. This is a great fit for creative people who want to set it and forget it. Are you enjoying the content? Hit subscribe. It's completely free, and you'll get easy-to-follow tips on investing, saving money, and building wealth delivered straight to you. No noise, just real value, at no cost. Let's grow smarter together. Yes, exactly like this channel. You don't need to show your face or even use your real voice anymore. With tools like Pictory and Eleven Labs, you can write a script, clone your voice, add stock footage, and boom, you have a video. Once your videos start getting views, you can earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. It takes time to build up, but once it's rolling, it becomes a true passive machine. Not the sexiest option, but one of the safest. With interest rates staying relatively high in 2025, high-yield savings accounts can offer 3 to 5% returns with zero risk. If you've got some emergency cash or short-term savings, don't let it sit idle. Put it to work in a savings account, short-term bond fund, or even a certificate of deposit. Do you know a lot about a hobby, a skill, or a product category? Start a simple blog and promote tools or products you love. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission without doing anything after setup. The trick is choosing evergreen topics like personal finance, tech tools, or wellness. Use free tools like WordPress and create automated email sequences with System to build your funnel. You already know something someone else is willing to pay for. Package that knowledge into a short online course or ebook. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or even Skillshare make this really easy. Create it once, promote it passively, and let it generate income for months or even years. Popular topics include investing basics, budgeting tips, productivity hacks, or even how to start a faceless YouTube channel. Don't have hundreds of thousands to invest in property? No problem. Platforms like Estate Guru, Fundrise, or Reinvest24 let you invest as little as €50 to 100 into fractional real estate projects. You earn monthly rental income or growth when the property is sold. You don't manage tenants, fix broken toilets, or deal with paperwork. This is a great passive method to diversify your portfolio. If all that catches your interest, then here are some additional reading suggestions exactly for you. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki, over 32 million copies sold. #1 personal finance book. translated into more than 51 languages. It's about differentiating assets versus liabilities, the mindset shift from earning to owning, and strategies for building passive income through real estate, business, and investments. Passive Income: Aggressive Retirement by Rachel Richards. Authored by a personal finance guru who retired at 27 by building $10,000 per month, book comprises 28 tested passive income models spanning real estate, royalties, online businesses, with practical interviews and step-by-step guides. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Written by Vanguard founder John Bogle, championing low-cost index investing. Book is about the mechanics and benefits of index funds, cost minimization, and long-term wealth building through simple, disciplined investing. Check the affiliate links in description. So there you have it, to 7 passive income ideas for 2025 that actually work. Quick recap: dividend stocks, print on demand, YouTube automation, high yield savings, affiliate blogs, online courses, real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to try all of them. Just pick one, start small, and stay consistent. Remember, most people overestimate what they can do in a week and underestimate what they can do in a year. Plant the seeds now and let them grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button so you don't miss future videos on investing, saving, and smart money habits. Comment below, which passive income idea are you most interested in starting this year? Next up, watch my video on how to start investing with just €100 per month. It's the perfect beginner's guide.